Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a safe test scope. Backup data, schedule a maintenance window, and notify stakeholders. Once done, enable comprehensive monitoring so you see the effect in real time. Then, make the first concrete change. Reduce CPU quota and thread pools, lower cache sizes, and tighten connection limits. Do this incrementally, apply one control at a time and wait for metrics to stabilize, because you need to observe cause and effect, not guess at outcomes. Once initial throttling is active, escalate methodically. Introduce controlled synthetic traffic or parallel batch jobs to simulate stress. Make sure to shape network latency and packet loss with a tool. This reveals timing-sensitive failures. At the same time, tighten memory caps, impose I/O throttles, and alter garbage collection or pool settings to increase contention. Keep changes small and sequential, and watch key metrics. When error rates climb, pause and document the exact setting that triggered the shift, so you can reproduce behavior. You finish by verifying the degraded state. Capture performance baselines, error logs, and time series graphs for CPU, latency, and throughput. Once recorded, execute your rollback plan in controlled steps. Restore quotas, cache sizes, and thread pools while observing metrics. If something goes wrong, immediately replay failing requests against a snapshot and inspect logs for resource exhaustion, deadlocks, or timeouts. This single troubleshooting tip, replay and compare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.